So I have a disconnect for a VAV that is required in this space, and I don't know how to place the device or how to bring it into the electrical panel. So the first thing you need to do is go to Systems, Electrical, Equipment, and then this is from the Revit library, so you can get all of these devices from the Revit library. So you will go to disconnect, and you will just use in my case, this is a 30 amp disconnect. So I will go ahead and place it on phase, and I will place it right here. I will tag it just to make sure that this is a VAV that I need to connect. So here I will use I will use the tag here. So go ahead and select the tag. This is a VAV one, this example. All right, so this VAV is a 120 volt single phase VAV, and it is 1.5 kVA. So unfortunately, the templates from Revit, in this case, is a 240 volt disconnect. I need to change that. So the way I'm going to change it is I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to call this VAV-1. Like I mentioned before, this is a 120 volt VAV. It's a single phase, so my number of poles will be 1. Load classification, we leave it as it is. We apply and we select OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and power the VAV. So we select the VAV, and we're gonna make this 1000 VA, because I'm not sure in which phase my power will land in the electrical panel. I'm just gonna make it 1000 VA for every phase. We already selected this as being a single phase. So now we're gonna go ahead and select the device. We're gonna power, and we're gonna select our panel schedule. In this case, it will be PL2. And then I'll create a home run just to make sure I know where it's going. Tag it, and it is going to circuit 6 of electrical panel PL2. Circuit 6 right here. So we're going to call this VAV-1. And we need to make sure the 1000 VA it's within rating of our 20 amp breaker. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my calculator and do 1000 VA divided by 120. That's 8.3 amps. So we are within the range. And we can even make this a 15 amp circuit breaker. And that is how you create a new disconnect and how you power a new disconnect to an electrical panel. If you like this video, you can subscribe, and I will be creating some more videos related to electrical design in Revit. Thanks for watching.